Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of color grading and color correction using the color balance tool. Whether you're looking to enhance your photos with a cinematic touch or correct colors to achieve a natural look, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's get familiar with the color balance tool. You can find it by going to Image, Adjustments, Color Balance, or by adding a color balance adjustment layer from the Layers panel. This tool allows you to adjust the colors in your image by balancing the red, green, and blue tones in the shadows, midtones, and highlights. To start with basic color correction, select the midtones option in the color balance dialog box. Being adjusting the sliders for cyan red, magenta green, and yellow blue to neutralize any cast and achieve a more balanced and natural look. Pay close attention to the skin tones and overall color harmony in the image. Next, let's move on to the shadows. Adjust the color balance in the shadows to add depth and mood to your image. For a cooler look, you might want to add more blue, or for a warmer feel, add more red or yellow. Similarly, switch to the highlights and make subtle adjustments to enhance the brightness and color of the light areas in your photo. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get creative with color grading using the same color balance tool. This is where you can give your photos a unique and artistic touch. Experiment with different combinations in the shadows, midtone, and highlights to create a specific mood or a style. For example, adding teal to the shadows and orange to the highlights can give your image a popular cinematic look. Once you're happy with your color adjustments, it's important to refine the effect. You can use layer masks to apply the color balance adjustments selectively, ensuring that only certain parts of the image are affected. This adds a professional and polished touch to your work. After applying your color grading and corrections, take a moment to review your image. Compare the before and after to see the impact of your adjustments. You can always go back and tweak the settings until you achieve the desired look. And that's it for today's tutorial on color grading and color correction using the color balance tool in Photoshop. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to start experimenting with your own photos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.